Hi guys, today I'm going to be eating Panda Express. I got orange chicken, sweet fire chicken, and chow mein. And then I got two veggie spring rolls. I got some onion rings from Sonic. And then I got two monster tacos, and Jack in the Box had an Asian chicken fried sandwich, so I was like, why not? As you can tell, I really could not pick what I wanted to eat. But anyway, I'm starving. Spring roll. Wait, I didn't do thumbnail. That'll do. Originally, I was just gonna get Panda, but then I passed Jack in the Box and I saw they had a new Asian chicken fried sandwich. So I was like, I kind of want to try that. And then I wanted the tacos too. And I was like, okay, I'm just gonna get that and Panda Express. But then I passed Sonic and I really wanted onion rings. So I'm like, oh, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna get everything. I love their veggie spring rolls. This does not focus, does it? Nope. I'm not about to get up to try to focus it. I'm too lazy. I just want to eat. Mmm. I would use chopsticks, but they're in the dishwasher, so I'll just stick with the fork. Ugh. I'm not a huge fan of Sonic's onion rings. I have ranch on the side. But there was no Whataburger down the street, and I'm like, I'm not about to drive just to go to Whataburger. But I feel like they have one of the best fast food onion rings. Mm. Sorry if I keep switching up my setup. I'm just trying to see like what the best angle is. So once I get it perfect, I'll keep it that way. Mm. Mm. Normally I get honey walnut shrimp, for the most part, but they said it would take 15 minutes, and I had already been waiting, so I'm like, no, never mind. So I got orange chicken instead. I always drop stuff. I'm not a clean eater. One time, I hung out with this guy that I thought was really cute. This was in high school. I will never forget this. This was so embarrassing. And we had went to Chili's and we got the spinach dip. So I'm over here trying to look cute, like eat, like all cute, like dainty, like. And come to find out, I had spinach all in my teeth, and he did not tell me until I got home. And I look in the mirror, and there was like spinach bits all in my teeth. I was like, wow, he didn't even tell me. But he kept looking at me weird, so I'm like, that's why. So shady. Now, like, if I ever see something in someone else's teeth, I'll always tell them. Like, because I want you to know, like, hey, you do realize you have spinach in your teeth. I don't want someone to go through my situation. Oh well, we didn't even talk after that. Maybe because I had spinach in my teeth. One time I was at a party with this guy that I was dating. This was in high school too. And I ended up getting drunk and passing out. And they said that I farted in my sleep. And they recorded it. And they sent it to my boyfriend at the time. And then I woke up and I found out about it. I'm like, oh my god, I can't believe I farted in my sleep. I like to embarrass myself, I guess. It's a normal part of life, right? Trying to make this look all cute. Mmm. You can tell this orange chicken's fresh. You can tell they just made it because it tastes really good. I've had orange chicken from them before that was not fresh, and it was bone dry, and it was disgusting. I'm like, did you guys give me the bottom of the barrel? I mean, I didn't complain. I still ate it. I was a little sad. I'm like, oh. Oh, I was gonna do the about me tag, but oh well. I'm already like halfway through. Yesterday it was cold. I mean, yesterday it was warm here, and now it's cold again. So I didn't know what to do. I put on shorts and I walk outside. I'm like, well, I should probably put on some pants, but I didn't end up changing. Hoes don't get cold. That's what I like to tell myself. I'm like, hoes don't get cold. Meanwhile, I have like goosebumps. Mmm. Onion rings and sweet and sour sauce. Tastes pretty good. I'm that person that will literally eat the weirdest food combinations, like mashed potatoes and barbecue sauce. Oh. What else? I used to dip my hot Cheeto fries in mashed potatoes, or hot Cheetos, hot Cheeto fries too. If you have a Sonic near you, get their onion rings. Maybe next time I'll have sushi. Sorry if I'm looking at the viewfinder. I think my video went over. Maybe it's in a separate file now. I did it. Okay. Now I just have to finish these other two here. Let's try this. This looks hella good. Honestly. Oh my god, this is so good. It has like slaw in it. It has cucumbers and chicken and some kind of sauce. This is so good. They always get rid of the good stuff at fast food places. Where I'm like, oh my god, they should keep this, and they get rid of it. I'm like, okay. Oh my god, this is so good. You guys have to try this. This is like the nacho cheese monster taco. Do you see all that? Look at that. Oh yeah. Mmm. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be back in 2 days with another video. I'm probably going to do sushi and fruit because that's what I was going to do today, but I was feeling like a fatty. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to subscribe, it'd be cool to get more peeps. But if you don't want to, you don't have to.